Hello and welcome to the Center of Excellence training series on TAC. In this tutorial, we will cover how to create data sync feeds using the Data Sync plugin in ATAK. Let's get started. First, ensure that you have the Data Sync plugin. See the Subscribing to Data Sync video for an in-depth explanation. Select Data Sync from the drop-down menu. Tap the plus button. Name your feed and choose what channel you want the feed shown on by tapping the pencil icon and selecting one or more channels. Only users with access to the channel your feed is tagged to will have access, so consider your security needs when selecting this. Next, select an option for setting a default role. Subscriber is set as the default, which allows other TAC app users to edit the content on the feed. However, only the owner can completely delete a feed with this setting. To allow any user to modify content or completely delete the feed, select the Owner option. If you do not wish your users to modify the content of a mission, select the Read Only option, which will ensure that only your ATAK device can add or remove content from the mission. Note that DataSync mission language has been discontinued in ATAK but persists in ITAK. Just be aware that across platforms, mission and here feeds are the same thing. You may want to set a password to your feed to protect any sensitive data from being visible to others. This may also be a useful protection in case you inadvertently create the feed while multiple channels are selected. Without a password, anyone in your channel may be able to see the data in your feed. As of spring 2024, ITAC does not support DataSync feeds that are password protected. If you select the Auto Publish New Content to this feed option, any points or shapes you add to the map in ATAC will be automatically added to the feed. You may also optionally add a description for your feed. Then tap Done. Tap on your feed and click the plus button. There are many ways to add items to your feed. Most will use the Map Select and tap on the Map items to upload to the feed. Alternatively, you may prefer to use the lasso tool to draw a loop around all of the items you'd like to select. Once you've completed your selection, tap Done. You should see the corresponding items listed in one of three panes: Map Items, Photos, or Files. As long as other users select Download and Sync when subscribing to the feed, changes will be immediate for all subscribers. To delete content from a feed, tap on Map Items and then the three stacked dots. Tap Delete and decide if you want to delete the point locally or from the server. If you delete the content locally, these changes will not be made for other users subscribed to the feed. Finally, to delete a feed, return to the DataSync main page and click the trash can. Choose Unsubscribe or delete the feed from your device or the server. Tap both sliders to the right and select Confirm. This concludes our tutorial for the creation of ATAK Data Sync feeds, powered by the Colorado Department of Public Safety and the Center of Excellence for Advanced Technology Aerial Firefighting. Thanks for watching.